Zachary and welcome to Burn It Down's Country Kitchen. Today we're going to get after a fun little lunch, mini corn dogs. And we're not even going to fry them, we're going to bake them in the oven, and we're going to use some good old-fashioned Jiffy. So let's get after these ingredients. Alright, so we got milk, we got our egg, of course we got our hot dogs, we have our Jiffy cornbread mix. We got some stuff we're going to go ahead and put in there too. I got some Colby Jack shredded cheese. I got some bacon bits, and for mine, of course, got to have some jalapenos. All right, let's get after this. I don't know how many of y'all know this. This is a pro tip if you're working with Jiffy. The bag is glued to the bottom of the box. I will say that again. The bag is glued to the bottom of the box, so don't bother trying to pull it out. Don't bother. So that is a Jiffy pro tip. Right. Start by pouring out the mix. Get that broken up a little bit. Some big clumps in there. Don't want all that, right? I figure I'd do it cornbread style because Mrs. Burn It Down doesn't like the regular batter. So we'll do it this way. Need 1/3 cup milk. Good. Of course, 1 egg. Just like so. And we're just going to stir it up. Mix it really good. And realize you need a little more milk. Put a little more milk in there, but give it a good mix before you adjust anything. We're going to want it kind of thick, so. The thing about cornbread is you definitely don't want to over stir it. And you're going to want to let it sit for, a couple minutes, 3-4 minutes before you pour it into the cups. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and throw some bacon bits in this one. Because why not, right? And we'll throw some shredded cheese in there. Again, why not, right? Make some good batter. Get that mixed in there. And then we'll let it rest for 3 or 4 minutes. Nice. Actually, gonna throw just a little more cheese in there. There we go. Another half a handful or so. Make sure it's incorporated and then set it aside 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm gonna make a second box here because I told you I want jalapenos in mine. My daily dose. Go. Get that broken up. Just like last time, we'll put the 1/3 cup of milk in and our 1 egg. That seemed to be a good mixture. It worked out perfect, so we'll stick with that. Make sure all the cornbread's incorporated, all the dry mixtures incorporated with the wet mixture. Again, go with a little bacon bit. Some shredded cheese. Give that a good stir real quick. Just like the other batter. All right. Now we're going to go in hard with this jalapenos. Have to get me a spoon. It's 1 tablespoon. Half. Might as well use what I got left in here, right? It's almost 2 tablespoons there. But that's me all the way. I do like it hot, so. That will be my jalapeno cornbread mixture. Just want to get your hot dogs and cut them in half. Just like that. Get that set aside. You want to get your nonstick and your muffin pan. We don't want them to stick. There we go. All right, we're going to fill these up about halfway. Yeah, like that. Because it will rise. We know that. Do 3 of those. 3 of the jalapeno ones. Now, obviously, you can do more if you have a bigger pan. We did not feel like fishing out the bigger pan. We got so many pans and stuff we'd have to move around. This was not worth it. So let's do a couple batches of this one. How about that? Okay. Next we're gonna get our hot dogs. Just push them in like so. Just like that. And of course, so I know which ones are which, go ahead and top the jalapenos one with some pickled jalapeno. Oop, chew. There we go. We'll do it that way. Nice. All right, in the oven, set at 400 for 15-20 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, just got the first batch out of the oven. We're gonna let it cool a little bit, but man, look at that. It looks so good. Definitely looks good. And we'll give it 5-10 minutes to cool off, and then we'll go ahead and take it out, start a new batch. I went ahead and sprinkled cheese on it to let it melt on there towards the end of the cooking cycle. That's your choice, you do you. All right, here's the first batch. The regular. Look, you can see the bacon bits in it and all that. The cheese. The jalapeno one. You can see the bacon bits and jalapeno and all that in it. Man. All right, that's the first batch. Let's get the second batch going. All right. I'm using up this jar as much as I can, because as soon as that one's done, I got my own homemade pickled ones I did. If y'all ain't seen that video, go check it out. It's pretty good. Some water bath canning and all that. All right, back in the oven, 15-20 minutes. All right, it's that time again. Do me a favor. Hit like, share, subscribe. Like I tell you, it does me a world of good. The subscribers and the viewers is what helps me out. So yeah, I appreciate every single one of you. And go ahead and if you haven't done it yet, take the time to hit the subscribe button. All right, let's get after this taste test. Okay, one of these. Look at that. All right, let's get this taste test. You can taste the bacon and the cheese, and of course my jalapenos. Cornbread's nice and sweet. You can always add a little honey if you wanted to, but it's sweet enough. Man, that's good. Got the little flakes of. You got the little flakes of the jalapeno. Man, that's good. Only thing I would do differently next time, go ahead and get a nice sear on the hot dogs before you do that. Probably change the whole flavor profile. Man, that's good. All right, y'all, I won't sit and eat it all in front of you. Hope you liked it. Cook something. Cook anything. Cook mini corn dog muffins. Why not, right? Kids will love them. It's a good little lunch. Heck, it's a good snack. All right, y'all. Till next time.